So today I'm going to show you how to transfer your Bitcoin from your Cash App account. Now, we actually have the app here in real time, so you can follow along step by step. And we're currently on the homepage of our Cash App account. And we want to go ahead and look over to the left-hand side. You currently see a $15 dollar amount here for us, but yours might be a different dollar amount or a bank account icon. Let's click on this. Now from this section right over here towards the center, you're going to see where it says save and invest. And if you scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see your Bitcoin. If you go ahead and click in this section, it's going to take you to your overall Bitcoin amount. Now it shows you how much Bitcoin you have in US dollars, as well as the amount of Bitcoin you have in total. Now, in order to go ahead and transfer this out, we want to go ahead and click this little up and down arrow right over here on the right-hand side. And then from here, it's going to ask if you want to send or receive. We're going to click on send. And then on this page right over here, it's going to ask how much you would like to send, either by US dollar, or you can toggle back over to Bitcoin. One thing to keep in mind, you do need about a minimum of $5 to be able to send. So we're not going to be able to physically do it here in today's video, but just wanted to let you know in this example. So we're just going to go ahead and continue with the $1. Again, keeping in mind, we need that $5 minimum. Now on this page here, it's going to go ahead and ask for the Bitcoin address you're sending to. Keeping in mind, you can also even be sending this to yourself, and then it's automatically going to be set for Bitcoin payment. So let's go ahead and paste our address on here. And then once you go ahead and paste that, we're going to have this little checkbox here that we need to do before the next button is highlighted. And once that is, we're going to click on that. And since this is the first time we are sending it to this address, it just wants to re-verify for us how much we are going to be sending. So we're going to plug in that amount again, either by US dollar or in Bitcoin. And once you're ready to go, just go ahead and click on pay and you're all set to go. Now there's more to show you when it comes to utilizing Cash App and Bitcoin. And I'm going to post my video right over here so you can actually learn how to find your address when it comes to receiving Bitcoin.